Hello, in this video I would like to show you the Nikon COOLPIX W100. I use this camera now for underwater videos, for snorkeling, and I checked another camera out, the Denver Action Cam, which was really bad, and then I realized that I actually have one of these still somewhere, and I reactivated it. It's already some years old. I think it's from 2014 or something like this, almost 10 years old, but it works well for underwater pictures, and it has a dedicated record button. It has a zoom that can be easily operated even underwater. I think that the display is hard to see underwater. When I don't know why, but if I'm looking at the display underwater, it's very it's like gray. It's very hard to see what's in the frame. So sometimes I have difficulties to aim it properly. So zooming in isn't really an option. But the wide setting isn't very wide. So it's I think I just leave it there and make the videos. It is rated for 10 meters of water resistance, and it's shockproof to 1.8 meters. I didn't test neither of these. I just snorkeled with it and it was absolutely fine. It has only one opening. It's on the underside. There you have your charging cable, mini HDMI, and your battery. And here you can see it has proper seals. I guess that you have to maintain them with silicone oil, I guess, or grease, but I haven't done it yet. It also, you have your SD card in here, and yeah, it's easy cheesy. Now let's look at some footage I took with this underwater. It's the first fish. I zoomed in a little bit, but it's hard to aim with this camera because you can hardly see the display, and it doesn't have a stabilization, so it's very shaky. But it catches the color much better than the other cam. My impression was that I could see a little bit better than what can be seen here, but not much better. These were a lot of fish at one spot. That's the widest setting of the camera, and it's not very wide. These fish are used to people, so that they don't freak out if a person comes along. There was a big fish. I was excited. I swam behind him, but I didn't notice that I didn't really aim the camera at it. So you can see it at the bottom. Now it's, you can see it. It was a big fish. There, I lost him. So it's easy to swim with this camera. You can, I have it on my hand with this cord, and when I think I want to record something, I can turn it on quite quickly, and it will not turn off by itself, at least not very fast. I didn't test how much the battery would last, but I was filming more or less non-stop for almost half an hour, and the battery wasn't empty at the end. So I think for a snorkel, one snorkel trip, it's plenty of energy. It doesn't float in the water, but it's not heavy either, so it's very easy. It focuses quite good, I think. I never had, or almost never had, the feeling that it has troubles at focusing at something. Again, it's difficult to aim the camera properly. I was sure I was aiming at this fish, but I couldn't see the display underwater. It was just a gray surface. It's very hard to see what you're aiming the camera at. But I had the same problem with the other camera too, I think. I don't know how this could be fixed. Yeah, I zoomed in, but without shake reduction and with the poor display, it's very hard.